Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to make this type of image manipulation in Photoshop. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. So we have three images. One is railway track, one is a subject model, and one is camera for background. So we will start work on it camera image. Firstly, just swap the images. So I'm just using this image from here. Okay, and just select your image and goes to image adjustment and match color. Choose the source of tab. So we have pixels pixabay 274973. That's our code. So just select here and choose the layer from where you swap the color of image. Choose background. Let's see. Background and color intensity. And a little bit fade. But according to your requirement or the environment of the image. So I'm just using this. I think so it's fine. Then just click on OK. When you are now, just hide the image. Firstly, create a circle according to your lens of the camera. So here just adjust it. Okay. Okay, I think so it's perfect. Now just unhide your image and send backward your shape layer. Then duplicate your track image. Press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Now just select both layers and click on link. Now just the below layer, clip on the ellipse. Just right click and create clipping mask, and just reduce the opacity of your image and adjust according to your lens center. I think so it's fine. Now just use your pen tool. Firstly, just add on layer mask on the image. So just click here and trace the track to now, and it's done. Now press Ctrl plus Enter and it will automatically in selection mode. Just use your selection tool now and right click on path and select inverse and press delete from your keyboard. Make sure your layer mask is selected. Press Ctrl D for deselect and opacity maximize. Okay, think so we are on the right track. Now let's adjust it according to the background. So firstly, just use gradient layer on above the layer of background. So just here using gradient layer and make it little bit dark more. So just drag this and more. I think so this is fine, and press OK. Now just click on OK again and duplicate the layer, same, and above the layer of the track also. Now just go to your color lookup from your adjustment layers, click here, so color lookup, and choose load 3D LUT, and here from night from day cube, just select it. Now just adjust it according to your requirement. So I think so it's fine, and now just blend it. Now just set your layer mask on your color lookup layer, choose your eraser and increase the size of eraser. Now just click. Firstly, make sure your brush will be soft round. Okay. Now same on gradient layer. And same here also. Just erase the path as you want according to your requirement, and reduce the opacity of your brush now. Okay, I'm just using like 25% and click on color lookup layer. So here, and now just above the layer of track. I think so it's fine. Now just increase the opacity and do some more changes in it as you want. Okay, we are here. So it's turn of the model. So just click here and click on quick selection tool, and here you get option subject. So select subject, it will select automatically. Okay, it's selected now. So just drag it on your canvas and adjust according to your layer. Now just press Ctrl T and adjust the size of the image. Now same, just go to image, adjustment, and match color. So here also pixabay, and next background. So this reduce the color intensity, so it's fine. Luminance also, so it thinks. Okay, press click on OK. So now it's done, guys. So guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you want more this type of videos, so subscribe our channel and do like, comment or share, and stay tuned.